Today I'm going to show you how to use the Athena palette. So to activate the color, I like to spray it with either water or setting spray. Right now I'm using setting spray, just 2 little squirts. And then I have some paint brushes over here that I've already dipped in. It's hard to get the pigment off the paintbrushes, so use disposable ones. And you're just gonna mix the water in with the pigment or the setting spray, just like that. And get a good amount onto your brush. And I'm gonna apply this on my hand to show you. But you're going to want to go in a few times to really even this out. Oil-based body paint or face paint is really good for like conventions because it's going to stay a lot longer. With this stuff, I like to usually do 2 layers. So now that I've put this on my hand, I'm going to use some setting spray to set this and stop it from moving around. So I'm literally going to put it directly on. You don't need like that much for this big of a thing, but then just kind of dot it around just like that. And then get it everywhere. And as you can see, it does dull the color a little bit, but you can do another layer on top of that and then a little bit more setting spray. Where it was a smaller area, the color really applied well, so it's not patchy. But if you do ever find it patchy, what I like to do is I use some eyeshadow that's around the same color and I'll just fill in any patchiness. And I really like this stuff. It works well. I've done a lot of looks with it and I'll show you a few right here. So as you can see, for one layer, it did a lot of coverage. I do love this palette. It's very easy to work with. It can be very uneasy to work with when you're just starting, but it gets easier every time you work with it. So just keep trying and keep going. I have a lot more tutorials on my channel of cosplay. I did a pink avatar recently, and I use this exact product if you're interested to see what a full look looks like. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you next time.